Good morning, happy Friday. Thanks for your company this Friday, the 16th of April. I'm Jessica Ramir, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Where there ain't no lions, tigers and bears here, only bulls. The US stock market smashed through records overnight. The Dow Jones closed above 34,000 points for the first time in history. The S&P 500 at 1.1%, hitting another new record high, while the Nasdaq bettered that, up 1.3%, also hitting a brand new record. Now, it comes for several important reasons. Firstly, the 10-year bond yield fell below 1.56, so that fueled buying in tech stocks again, like FANGs, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, Alphabet all climbed over 1%. The second reason equities charged, economic news shot the lights out. Retail sales up 9.8% in March, crushing expectations. Sales would only lift over 6%, and weekly unemployment claims fell far more than expected. Now, the third reason that US indices, the three major indices, all hit brand new record highs. Earnings results smashed expectations. For instance, the health insurance giant United Health reported much better than expected quarterly sales, and United shares jumped about 4%. Bank of America also reporting much better than expected quarterly results. Trading and investment banking results smashed records. The Bank of America shares did fall, though, over 2%, but they held on to a gain this year of 30%. Now, what to watch today for us? Well, the Aussie share market, it's breathing down the neck of that all-time high that we're just 1.5% away from. The futures were earlier not really telling, though. The market suggested to only lift 0.2% if you go by the futures, really because the vaccine rollout is keeping gains in check. But today, all eyes and ears will be on iron ore, hydrogen and tech. Now, tech tipped to do well. Afterpay is seeing a bit of buy orders line up, and Zip, Z1P shares, likely to do well based on early orders too. Perhaps Zip will stage a bit of a rebound following a pullback after announcing a $400 million capital raise. Secondly, traders will be focusing on hydrogen. Why? Well, the iron ore giant Fortescue Metals was in the media this morning, ABC in particular, really moving forth with their move into hydrogen, building green steel plant in Brazil, which will help FMG become a carbon neutral company by 2030. So keep an eye on smaller hydrogen stocks like HZR, QEM and PRL. Thirdly, the iron ore price has risen back to a 9.5-year high. So iron ore stocks really being bought like hotcakes. It's quite timely that Mineral Resources and iron ore giant MIN just reported quarterly results this morning. Third quarter shipments of iron ore and spodumene, which contain lithium, are much higher than the same time last year. Iron ore in particular, shipments up 51% for MinRes, and they also shipped 33% more spodumene that contains lithium than the same time last year. Now, Min buy orders are mounting. MIN shares also in a breakout from a technical perspective, so the fundamentals and the technicals all in unison. So keep an eye on Min, likely to rally over the short and longer term. Also keep an eye on some of those most traded stocks from yesterday for our active trader desk called Bell Direct Advantage. The most traded stocks included Magnetite Mines, MGT. Now, they saw a lot of trades yesterday. They rose 13%, taking their weekly gain to 51%, supported by the iron ore price rebound. And the second most traded stock from yesterday was Vault Resources, VRC. Their shares rose 27%, and collectively this week they've gained about 8%. But Vault is an emerging graphite and gold producer in Africa to keep your eyes on. And as for trading ideas that could be worth a look, a few upgrades. Plenty PLT was initiated as a Bell Potter buy, expecting PLT shares, the non-bank lenders shares, to grow 53% in a year to $1.80. So keep an eye on PLT. Secondly, Access Innovation, AIM, restamped as a Bell Potter buy. AIM, for those that don't know, is a live media closed caption company, and Bell Potter expects AIM shares to jump almost 50% in a year to $1.35. And lastly, bullish charting signals have been identified in Sandfire Resources, SFR, Redbubble, RBL, and Calyx, CXL. And that's according to Trading Central. I'm Jessica Ramir with Bell Direct. Stay safe, happy trading, and I'll see you for the weekly wrap.